Hey, I'm Greg. This is Felicia. We're with SCT Adventures, and today we're going to show you how to get to C-Day Brunch, or how to sign up for C-Day Brunch, because you have to do it through the Carnival Hub app. So what we're going to do, to begin with, you want to grab your handy dandy phone. Handy dandy. That kind of goes back to Blue's Clues or something like that, doesn't it? But anyway, we're not talking about it. But you go to the three lines in the top corner of your phone. That's the menu. You're going to scroll down, and you're going to hit Food and Drinks. And if C-Day Brunch is available at that time, you're going to have to check.
Yeah, show you what's open now.
Hit the box to check in to dine. So we're going to hit check in to dine. If you have other guests in your party, you're all linked together, you can choose all the different cabins, everybody, find out who all wants to eat together. Currently it's just us two, so we're going to...
It does say parties over 10 must check in with restaurant host if you have a big party.
Yeah, and we have found too that, let's say that you've got somebody that you want to eat with that's not on your phone. If you get together, go ahead and check in. When you get down there, they'll accommodate you. So yeah, there's even an option here that if you want to sit with some other people, you can select seat me at a shared table. We're not going to select that. So yeah, we're selecting all here.
Yeah, otherwise he's going to leave me out.
Yeah, it was just going to be me. Maybe I wanted to dine alone today. I don't know. But anyway, we're going to check in both guests. And once we do that, it's going to say we will notify you when your table is ready. So at this point, we will sit back. And
it says checked in under 10-minute wait, so
gives you an idea of how long you're going to have to wait.
Usually not long.
So we will wait and see exactly how long it's going to take, and then we're going to take you along and show you the C-Day Brunch.
Yum.
So we just got the notification. Our table is ready. It says our table is number 306. Now it tells you in the app that our restaurant is the Sunrise Restaurant. It's at deck 3 aft of the ship. So, and it tells us that we have how long to get there?
10 minutes.
We have 10 minutes to get there, so you better be in a hurry, or make sure you get there, because they're only gonna hold your table for 10 minutes. So y'all come along with us as we go have C-Day Brunch. Come on. All right, once you're seated, you're going to want to use your phone for, they have these little QR code papers on the table. You'll use your phone to look up the menu. Now, they will bring you a paper menu if you don't have a phone with you or what have you. So they will bring you a menu, old school, if you need to use it that way. So we're going to look up the menu on the phone, see what we want to have for C-Day Brunch, and we'll share that with you. I'm a little old school. I like breakfast. Felicia's new school. She's hip. She normally goes with something with a burger or with an egg that breaks open on it or something like that. We'll see what she does today, because she's looking at me funny from across the way.
He's so full of it.
We'll see. But we're gonna look it up on the phone and see what we're gonna have for breakfast.
I want to get the fried chicken. Brunch potatoes. Is that what I want? Brunch potatoes with a hash brown. Hash brown. Round.
Hash browns are round.
And rice pudding.
Is that all you get?
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta find it. I want the eggs, scrambled eggs. I would like hash brown potatoes. What's this I hear about no bacon? Bacon?
Bacon.
And I want to try the skillet cake. You good? Yeah. And did you want a Danish? Danish.
Did you want orange juice?
Can I get some orange juice? Thank you. C-Day brunch was really good. I couldn't eat all my skillet cake. Appreciate most of hers. That's probably the fastest I've ever ate C-Day brunch. She's zipping through her orange juice right now. Because as is always on a cruise ship, there's always something to do. And we're headed off to trivia. But that's C-Day brunch. That's how you... I can't even talk right now. That's how you sign up for... on the app to schedule your check-in time. And that's C-Day brunch. So anyway, we're headed out to trivia.